Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy back at you guys with another video. Now in today's video we will be discussing are reflective Yeezys worth it? Now when I mean reflective Yeezys, I mean the 350 V2, the full reflectives. As some of you may know, when the 350s drop, recently when the 350s have been dropping, we've gotten a full reflective and a non-reflective version. Now the reflective version is a little bit more limited and it goes for a little bit more money on the aftermarket, whereas the non-reflective doesn't go for as much and it's kind of more widely available. So since I have both of them, well, I have the Yeezreel reflectives, and I was wearing these to the gym today, and I was just like, man, that's a good video idea. I'll give you guys a review on this to see if it's worth it to spend the money on the reflective, or if you should just get the non-reflective version. As I have the Yeezreel, sorry, I get these names wrong, but these are the non-reflective Yeezreels. Didn't get the reflective versions, but whatever. So yeah, before we get into today's video, please hit that like and subscribe. Feel free to follow me down on Instagram below. I have already styled both of those sneakers I just showed. So if you want to see how I style my Yeezys, feel free to follow me on the gram. Post fit pics almost at least like twice a week. But yeah, so go follow me on Instagram and see how I style all these sneakers. But anyways, getting into the topic of today's video. So I did get these Yeezreel Glow Reflectives. Now, I like this colorway. The funny thing was, the non-reflectives actually dropped before the reflective version. And I just figured with all the Yeezy reflectives, I've had no luck. Yeezy supply, it's kind of impossible to cop now. They got that like queue system that Adidas used to have. So it's really unlikely that you're going to get through the queue. But anyways, I actually got through. Now, I passed on the non-reflectives because it was the same day the Bread 11s came out. And I was like, you know what? I'm good, whatever. I'll pass. But I like the colorway. So then when the reflective versions came out, they dropped at midnight. I was like, hell, why not? Let me try, see if I get them. Ended up getting them. Cannot believe it. So I got these for retail. So the difference between this reflective and the rest of the reflectives is that these glow in the dark. The non-reflectives don't glow in the dark either. So I feel like this is gonna be short and simple. I know I'm making a video on, but if you want this colorway, and you gotta pay resale, I would just get the reflectives because the reflectives are only $100 more. Sorry, I'm like sick. I kind of got like some stuff in my throat, whatever. But back to the point. If you want this version, I would recommend paying the $100 more because you get the glow and you get the reflective. Now, personally, I don't really care about the reflectiveness of the shoe because unless you're taking pictures with flash on, you can't even see it. I'll throw up images too so you guys can see what they look like with the flash on, and I'll also show you guys the glow in the dark. I will have to say the glow in the dark on these is absolutely amazing. I almost paid resale for the glows like a few months ago. And I was like, nah, I'm not going to do it. I don't want to pay $500 for a 350 V2. It's just like too much for me. So I passed. And luckily, it was like a sign. It was like hindsight because I got these and now I'm good because I have the glow in the dark soul. And I got to tell you, the glow on these is absolutely insane. Just like by picking up sunlight outside, like it just glows like it doesn't even have to be charged. Like you don't have to sit this thing out. You just like wear these outside and it'll be glowing like no other. And sometimes even like when it's like cloudy outside, you could see like the glow too. It's pretty nuts. But yeah, so if you're looking for this shoe right here, I would just, if your money's right. Now I'm not saying if you don't have an extra $100, fine, just get the regular non-reflective. But I feel like since this one, for some reason, the reflective glow version is not really going for that much over retail. And the shoe did retail at $250, by the way. I think they're at like $350. So it's only $100 over retail. And I feel like if you're gonna get this one, you might as well get the glow and the reflective version because I mean, this colorway, it's just like meant to glow because it's so bright green. I love this colorway, mint chocolate chip Yeezys. But getting back into the other point of the video, I feel like if you're gonna go after these and you're gonna get the reflectives, unless you're a collector, I would just get the regular version. First of all, this is a sleeper. This shoe is fire. I love this colorway. I like all the crazy colorways, as you can tell. I don't really like the basic 350 V2 colorways, honestly. Like the triple blacks, they don't really do much for me. It's just a triple black shoe. But these, on the other hand, these are fire. But I would just like, I don't know. I just feel like the reflectives aren't worth it unless you're getting these because the sole glows in the dark. All the other reflectives, I mean, unless you're a collector, it doesn't really make sense to me, because how often do you take pictures of flash on and then, like, I don't know. I just don't think it's worth it to spend the extra $300 to get the reflective version. So yeah, but you guys could do what you do with your money. I was just giving you guys a review, more of a Yeezreel reflective review, and then I just figured I'd tie in like all the reflective Yeezys. And it looks like Adidas is going down that path, is that we're gonna have 380 reflectives and we're gonna have 380 non-reflectives. To be honest, I think it's cool, but I don't know. It just like puts so many Yeezys out there and it gets so confusing. Like if you're not like a Yeet, if you don't really pay attention like to Yeezys like that, like it just gets like confusing. Like it's like me explaining to somebody that there's a different version of this shoe and I have the reflective one. You can't tell unless you know that because you can see the glow, obviously, so people will know. If you know Yeezys, you'll know that this is the more limited one, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. It's still a fire shoe, but I'm just saying is that, like, if you're trying to flex on people, no one's going to know that you have a reflective Yeezy unless they pull out their phone and shine the flash on it. But hey, you guys got to do what you got to do with your money. If you want to buy the reflective over the non-reflective, I'm not going to stop you. I just figured I'd give you guys my opinion. But yeah, that's my opinion. So to sum it up, if you like this colorway, I would just pay the money and get the reflective version so you get the glow in the dark sole. If not, just buy the regular Yeezy. You'll enjoy it as much as you'll enjoy the reflectives. Plus, these also have 3M laces, so you do get a little 3M on there as well. But anyways, that's my video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!